Hello loves, good evening and welcome back to my channel again. For today's video, I am going to try on the new leather red jacket from my lovely sponsor. Thank you so much, Pinky, for sponsoring my leather red coat. So I would like to share you all how this would be fit me and how this would look like when I put it on. And of course, I would like to review it and style it like always. So thank you so much everyone for being my subscriber, and please don't forget not to skip the ads if you want to help me buy revenue and for buying letters. And for those who want to sponsor, you can DM me. And thank you so much everyone for subscribing on my channel. So I won't take this long, let's go. So here is the coat. It's a real long leather and it's really smelly, very smelly, and it's double-breasted that I really like, and it's long enough until to my knees. You can see it later when I put it on. So here is what is inside. The lining is in here and it's size XS. As you can see, here it is. Here. So let's go and have a look. And of course, I will gonna wear it with the GRWM red boots. So let's proceed to the belt. So there's it. And the tie, of course. The tie. So let's proceed to the coat. So here it is. And this is so beautiful. So how does it look? So the only thing is the belt is not a belt like I wanted, but anyway, it's a good quality leather, and I can say that. But only the belt is not that so. Especially it's new, and you cannot just put the bottom just like that. So the only concern for this jacket or coat is the belt. I don't know. It's it's just a normal belt for how can you light it up? I don't. It's better to have a other belt here than to have this belt because it's just not fit to the outfit that like this. It's better to put other belts than this one. So this is it. The jacket is really nice and it's really good quality, but it's just the bottom, it's hard to button it up, especially when I have gloves. And only the other thing is, yeah, if it's a little bit longer, it will be look more beautiful than this little bit shorter, because it's different on the eBay. You can get this in eBay, and I can put the link on, and yeah, but you have to request that a little bit more longer than this one, because this is a little bit shorter. It's more beautiful if this is a bit longer until until the middle of the boots. So this is it. So what do you think about this outfit? Please let me know to the comment below, and I would be happy to answer and to listen to your suggestion. So thank you so much everyone for being here and for watching my videos, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe.